So that's me doing some machine learning right now. Just recording myself doing machine learning. How do I study? Currently, I'm doing the Titanic dataset. It's basically investigating what features of the people allowed them to survive in the Titanic disaster. And I think that's quite cool. I'm just doing it. I'm trying to find out the answer. What are those features and build a good model. I need to pre-process tons of data and apply some additional features and filters and transform the data in all sorts of ways to make it useful. So basically do some data engineering and what else? And data pre-processing, model selection, make it all unbiased, and just test it and try to figure out what works and what not.
Yeah, so that's it. I'm using the power of ChatGPT to help me, but I don't delegate it the full task. I'm just clarifying some moments I don't understand how to do, especially with like Pandas library and maybe Matplotlib, NumPy. Yeah, scikit-learn, but I'm trying to do everything myself. Cool. And yeah, actually, I'm using this cool feature in ChatGPT. If you download the ChatGPT app on Mac and click Option and Windows, Option and Space tab, it opens. So you can call it anytime in any app, and that's just super useful. And you can also tell it to work directly with Visual Studio Code. Just click this plus button and it says working with codes focused on line 2. Yeah, so it can see what I selected. Yeah, it should see it. So if I select some data, it sees it exactly what I selected. So I can select data and ask ChatGPT about it. Right now it just sees me focused on line 4. Yeah, whatever. So yeah, that's a big scatter plot. It's useless really. But I'll actually 6 passenger ID. Oh yeah, it's okay. Yeah, so it's a useless histogram. Don't need it right now. But basically, I'm trying to analyze data. Right, a couple of parameters. These are passenger ID. It's just the identifier of which passenger survived. These are binary values: 0 for didn't survive and 1 for survived. B class is basically the class of the it's basically how good all the services are for the passenger. So first class is the best one, it's the best service, and the third class is the least good one. I guess it's just you travel and maybe there is some food available for third class. Age, obviously, this one is an interesting one. It indicates, for each one, it indicates how many siblings or spouses there are of a person. Of a person on the ship. So it's exactly on the ship, not in general. So if you travel with your wife, just with your wife, that'll be 1. You'd have this as 1. Pa and ch is parents and children, similar to siblings and spouses. Yeah, so it's the number of parents or children you have. And fare is not sure. I guess how much is charged. This is the description of this data frame. This one info is all about the data. Yeah. There was just 24 inches for cabin. So yeah, some interesting stuff. Basically, I have to analyze that, build a model, choose suitable attributes, features, maybe create new features out of the available, and just help the model as much as I can with data pre-processing, feature selection, and so on, and just create a good model that predicts whether a person survives based on his features other than survival. So yeah, that's my plan. So this video is basically how I'm doing my machine learning. How am I preparing to be an AI specialist? Yeah, basically to become somewhat an expert in the AI field. I think you have to do machine learning first. It's like the foundation of your AI expertise. That's what I'm doing now. Yep. Oh, and actually, I didn't say where I learn all the machine learning. Now is the book called Hands-on Machine Learning with TensorFlow, Keras, and Scikit. It's basically a nice book. It was written not that long ago, and it covers most of the machine learning aspects with Python programming. I think learning and going through this book really thoroughly is a very important thing for me, because I'll learn most of the machine learning concepts, and I'll be a much better machine learning specialist after reading this book thoroughly. So yeah, that's my current goal. Right now I've read the first couple of chapters, and the author explained how does a typical machine learning project look. So how to use all those techniques to actually get some value from those models, how to pre-process data, build those pipelines, and so on and so forth. So that's what I'm doing now. I want to solidify the knowledge I've gotten so far. I think it's a good investment of my time and energy, because it's just basic. It's how to actually do stuff, and I like it a lot. The author really put much effort into first prioritizing how to actually do stuff and solve real world problems using machine learning and data science, and not just going into the complicated maths and the ideas behind all of those algorithms. So yeah, it's all applied right now, and I'm enjoying it because I'm trying to solve a problem, find a solution, learn something new about the data. That's so cool. Yeah, I'll be doing that until 9 p.m. today, and then I'll go to sleep, because tomorrow I'm waking up at 6 a.m. and I need to be fresh. Yeah. So I'll continue doing my machine learning, and see you next time, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like if you've watched this video till the end and you enjoyed it. I really try hard to make a better quality content every time, every video. I'm trying to increase the quality, obtain the skills, and I hope you see my progress. And thank you for watching.